Hi, I'm Danny Clark with Collectors Firearms. This is my assistant, Josh Martinez. We have something special today that we're featuring. This is a Colt 1860 Army, and it's a early model. This is only serial number 928 out of 200,000 or so of these guns manufactured. The early guns like this had a fluted cylinder. And so this is a very early gun, and it's in fantastic condition, and it's in a dealer case. It wasn't a factory case, it's a dealer case. It's a rarity to see any of these Colt 1860 Armies in any kind of condition at all, because these were some of the first guns that were used during the Civil War. In fact, a lot of these early Colt 1860 Armies with the fluted cylinders were actually shipped south to the Confederacy right before Fort Sumter, and there was an embargo. But the South was trying to buy these guns, and Colt was trying to sell them as many as he could. This particular gun was sold to a dealer in New York, so it was not a southern shipped gun. But it is in fantastic condition. You have the original blue case colors, and you even have the silver on the back strap and trigger guards. Have all the matching numbers here, and just a beautiful example of a Colt 1860 Army. The case is a dealer casing. I can tell that by the construction of the case itself. The factory cases are a little bit different how they're laid out, but you have factory accessories. This is your Colt flask, and it's in really nice condition. It matches the condition of the gun. You can see you have all the finish on the flask. It's the metal is starting to come out right around in here, but this is all original browned finish, and you have a beautiful mold with all the original blue on the mold. This is the cartridge pack right here that would have your paper cartridges that you could just quickly put into the cylinder, and these are your percussion caps, all still sealed. So just a really nice example of a early 1860 Army Colt percussion.
When you say a dealer case, do they make other cases like when you bought the gun?
You had factory cases, so somebody would order the gun with a factory case, and this was only for civilian guns. Now, civilian guns can be differentiated from military guns by the grips very easily. The civilian guns had varnished grips, the military guns had oil finished grips.
This is a civilian gun?
Yeah, see the varnish?
Varnish.
Yeah.
What was the purpose of the flutes?
I guess it was to lighten the gun, but it was a harder manufacturing process, so they went to just the standard round rebated cylinder.
And this is like a typical Civil War gun?
Well, it was only the early guns. The typical Civil War gun had the round cylinder, not the fluted cylinder.
Okay. What caliber is this one?
44 caliber.
44 caliber. This is a nice piece. Thank you.
You're welcome.